Where possible, low volumes are a very efficient way to go spraying. They do three different things. First of all, if we cut our water volume from the standard label recommendation of a 200 litre a hectare medium quality spray, bring it down to 100 litres a hectare, we straight away double the capacity of the sprayer. Typically this will give us a third more output in a day spraying, so instead of doing 100 hectares a day, we'll do 130 hectares a day. Those 30 hectares are worth about £300, because if we didn't do it, we get a contractor in charging us something in the order of £10 a hectare to do the work for us. A further advantage of reduced volumes is there's quite a few products actually work better at low volumes. Typically Amistar works very well at low volumes, Axial is on the label at low volumes, Hawk works well at low volumes. The activity of these products is improved. The third benefit is timing. The more spray we get on at the right time, again the better result we get. And typically if you miss your T2 spray by a day, you can expect to lose 0.07 of a tonne, or miss it by a week, you've lost half a tonne. So half a tonne is going to be worth at least £40 a hectare, which we can get back simply by spraying at the right time. So where possible, go for the low volume sprays. Looking at these three nozzles I have here, let's have a look at the benefits of correct nozzle choice. Here I've got a standard British nozzle, for want of a better description. It will produce a medium quality spray at 200 litres a hectare. It's a variable pressure 110.05 nozzle, and if I was going to have just one nozzle in the sprayer, that's the one I'd have. Even this, you can get best performance out of it. Typically people run them maybe too high a pressure, because they're much less drifty at 2 bars than they are at the more traditional pressure of 3 bars. So when choosing a new set of standard nozzles, try and work out what will be the give you the correct output at about 2 bars pressure rather than 3 bars pressure, and you'll get more spray days from it. The other nozzles I have in my hand here, first of all the Amistar nozzle. This is a very low drift nozzle, 3-star LERAP, and it was designed though specifically for spraying cereals. It maximises the deposition on a wheat crop or a barley crop, and the tip makes sure that it sprays both sides of the plant. The benefit of this is you get more spray days with a quarter of the amount of drift, and we typically get about 1/3 of a tonne a hectare more yield from it. The Amistar nozzle, for a low drift nozzle, gives you a lot of drops per litre as well, and that's enabled us through our trials to prove how effective it is for grass weed control with Axial. So for this coming season, for the first time ever, we're able to recommend a low drift type nozzle for spraying a grassweed herbicide Axial. The other nozzle I have here is a angled Hawk nozzle, and that was specially designed to put the maximum amount of spray we could on blackgrass. Difficult target to hit small blackgrass because they're vertical and tiny, and the optimum angle turned out to be 40 degrees forwards, and that's how we recommend the Hawk nozzle, and typically it will double the amount of spray caught on the blackgrass, which improves the blackgrass control.